Hey everybody, for those of you looking to learn how to install a new aftermarket CPU cooler, check out the video. I'll put the link in the description, but basically I've muted everything, but I'm going to walk through very quickly the process, not only on how to remove your old CPU cooler, but how to install the back plates for a new cooler. And this cooler actually has RGB lighting as well. So I'll cover taking off the old one, putting on the new one, and then also providing links to this very unique cooler on Amazon, where you can get it for around $30 to $35, has a very large heatsink, and again, it has RGB lighting. I'll put the link in the description.